Hi everyone! For today's video we are going to have a pretend farmer's market at our house, and Brooke is going to be at the farmer's market stand. She's going to be selling me some fruits and vegetables, and she's going to tell me how much it costs. I'm going to give her money and she's going to give me change. So here we go.
Hello.
Hi Brooke! How are you today?
Good. Do you want some food? I have grapefruit, carrots,
Lemons,
avocado.
onions, avocado, bell pepper, garlic. Wow, you have a lot of food today. Is this all from your garden?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, I do want some food today. Can you put in my bag grapefruit? Can I have 2 grapefruits?
One grapefruit. That looks good. This one. It's good.
Great. Can I also have 1 carrot?
1 carrot.
Can I also have 1 lemon?
1 lemon. Lemons are sour.
Sour. I'm going to use it for my salad dressing.
Sour. Of course.
Yeah, and can I also have 1 avocado?
Now,
And 1 onion?
onion. This?
That's garlic.
Oh, onion.
Onion.
Oh, I think this one's good.
And a bell pepper.
A bell pepper.
Great, and that's going to be it for today. How much do I owe you?
75.
75 cents. Oh, all I have is $1. Can you give me change for my $1?
Of course. Put it right there.
So $1 minus 75 cents is how much money?
20.
25 cents.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you give me 25 cents back, please?
Here's 1.
Okay, there's 10. And there's 20. Thank you. And now 5 more cents. Where's the nickel that equals 5 cents? Well, how much does this equal? How much?
5.
5 cents, that's right. So you gave me 25 cents back. Thank you, Brooke. I'll see you next week.
And here's your bag.
Thank you. Now we're gonna switch spots. So I'm gonna be the one at the farmer's market and she's gonna come buy some food from me. Hi, Brooke.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Did you come to buy some food from me?
Yep.
From my farmer's market?
Yep.
What would you like today?
I like grapefruit.
Grapefruit?
Which is so yummy.
They are yummy. Are you gonna make something special today?
I'm gonna make some juice out of all the fruit.
Oh, you're gonna make some juice, some fruit and vegetable juice?
Yep.
Yum.
Carrot.
Carrot? That's gonna be good.
Ah.
Lemon's always good.
I need lemon for some sourness for my juice.
Mmm.
Lemon juice, there's every kind of juice. There's carrot juice, grapefruit juice, there's every juice.
Yeah. Onion juice.
Yeah, I like onion juice. None.
And maybe you can just cut up some avocado and put it on top of your juice.
I don't like this.
Bell pepper?
Thanks.
Okay, so that much?
Yep.
Alright, so that'll be 50 cents.
50 cents?
Mhm.
Oh, I only have $1.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to owe you 50 cents back. So can you count out 50 cents for yourself?
Are these?
Those are 1 cent. These are 10 cents.
Okay, so these?
Yeah, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you take that back. Perfect. Okay, don't forget your food for your juice.
I know.
Okay, I'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye. So you just got back from the farmer's market, right?
Yeah.
And now you want to make a soup for me?
Yep.
Yeah. So what are you going to put in your soup?
Some carrots,
Uh-huh.
bell pepper, onion, and a garlic.
Garlic, and maybe some like rice and garbanzo beans too?
Yeah.
First we'll chop the veggies?
Yep.
Okay. So what do you want to chop first?
I want to chop a carrot. We gotta cut this off. Right?
The very tip right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll cut right here.
Awesome.
And the back part.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta focus.
You gonna put the carrots in the pan now, in the pot? All right, are you gonna cut the bell pepper next?
Whoa.
Nice. Putting the bell pepper in the pot?
Yep, with the carrot.
Yummy.
Okay, there, it's all done.
Now, are you gonna chop the onion?
Of course.
Hmm.
It makes me cry when I cut it.
That's true.
Now, let's drop it and make me cry. Oh no, I'm scared.
Are you crying now, Brooke?
Yeah,
From the onion?
yeah.
Let's see your eyes. Oh. The strong onion.
Yeah. You are gonna cut the garlic.
You want me to cut the garlic?
Yeah, but too hard.
Oh. So 1 clove of garlic.
Put it. Okay, fine. I'll just cut it. Carrot.
Takes a lot of chopping, huh?
Get it all in a pie so I have the money.
You're silly. Garlic. All right, what else do you want to put in? First, we have to cook the veggies. So we'll cook the veggies first, and then we can add like garbanzo beans and rice and spinach. Yeah, after the veggies cook. And also nutritional yeast?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, the veggies are cooking with a little bit of water. And then we're gonna add some more ingredients. All right, so it looks like the veggies are cooked down. So what else are you gonna add?
Some garbanzos.
Garbanzos. How about you take that whole bowl and you pour it in?
Oh no, I'm fine.
Okay, you're just gonna add a few.
Those.
Okay. What
Now.
about rice?
Rice. Whoa. It's hot.
Yeah,
so
it is.
don't touch it. Don't touch inside the pan. It's really hot. It might burn your finger.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
I burned my finger once by touching the pan.
That's true. You learned, huh?
Yep. So I never will touch it.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, so what about nutritional yeast?
Yep. Out there.
Do you want me to get a spoon for you?
Yeah, guys, it's yellow.
Yellow, nutritional yeast. So put it closer to the bowl so you don't spill it everywhere. There you go. Nutritional yeast. More, or is that it?
Oh, one more scoop.
One more scoop.
Oh, yeah, there.
Okay.
There.
There.
That's it.
Okay.
I just want to get a little taste.
A little taste. Okay.
Just
What do you think?
good.
Good? And do you want to add some parsley?
Yep. Parsley. This. Take the lid off and sprinkle. That good?
Yeah, you can do more if you want.
I'd like to do that much.
Okay.
Good.
Good. We'll let that cook and we're going to add some water. So we added the water and now we're just going to wait for it to cook. So the last thing, what are we going to add?
Spinach.
Frozen spinach.
Really cold.
Really cold.
It's coming. Hey, that's actually not bad. I'm gonna mix it.
Stir it in. That's looking super good, huh? So we decided to add a little bit of lemon at the end. for a little acidity.
Oh, yeah. Look at that lemon.
Yeah, it's a lot of lemon juice in that lemon. Okay. I think it's ready to eat now, Brooke.
Maybe.
You ready to try it with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Brooke, we finished the soup. How does it look?
Good.
Good. And you're gonna have some avocado with yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the soup spoon. This is
I
the
put some avocado inside my soup.
And I want to eat it like this. Watch.
Okay.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
As the seed mashed it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the seed made an indentation in it?
And I just scoop some out and eat it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Bon appetit!
What's bon appetit?
It means have a nice meal.
Well, I'll try the soup.
Okay, you put a little bit in your spoon and blow it. That's so funny.
I want a carrot.
Carrot, okay.
Come here, carrot. Oh, that's hot. I would burn my finger. I got some avocado in my nose.
Do you think it's cooled down now? What do you think? Good.
Hi.
You say bye. Thanks for watching our video.
No, I still want to show them our eating. I'm eating the avocado up.
This is a good one, huh?
Mm-hmm. I want to show you that I ate some of the soup. Get that one. Whoa!
Is that a bell pepper?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't blow on that one first. Is it yummy? Thanks for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.
And yum.